Ginanyan sarili niya, hero.
The enemy is picking.
Light me up and watch the world burn!
As fleeting as a snowflake's breath, as timeless as a glacier's heart.
Oh. Si Toto magmo-marksman.
Everything engulfed in
The
flames.
enemy is picking.
My mission is to protect lives.
May hailugi tayo pa ano.
Ready, go! Your team is picking.
Lugi tayo dito. Saber. Baugin mo sila ila. Kaya X-Borg na naman yung ano na ito. Core.
It's my way, highway. The enemy is picking.
Mahina ka eh.
Hindi, nabili ko na to ah.
Sa isang account mo ba yan?
Kapal ka lang tayo man.
Is online.
Alpha Core XP ano, X-Borg. Sigurado.
Borg! Ay, manalo na ako.
Baka X-Borg
Malakas ako eh.
XP. Baka magkortong ano. Shoutout pa rin sa kasama natin, Tol Martin and Tol Makoy. Galingan nyo. Paano ba nagkaka-bounty?
Kailangan, lagi ka magkapid.
Paano nagkaka-bounty?
Magkapid ka lagi.
Ay, ano.
Oo. Hindi, joke lang. Kailangan marami kang napapatay kasi yung mga gold na nakukuha mo.
Eh, madalas sa ano kaya dyan, sa gold, kaya sa ko.
Yung tank
Kung
bira,
nangyari,
yung tank bira
kung
magka-bounty.
ikaw kasi pinakadamang sa team nyo, ikaw yung may bounty, kaya may mga
Yun nga yun,
parang
madalas nga yun yung
sa core,
sa korta sa
sa core.
MM.
Ay, papakita ko na yung tank killer ko.
Kung sino yung may pinakamatas na napatay, yun doon. O kaya zero deaths ka gano'n.
Eh, dapat
Mataas
nandito
yung pera
si
mo
ano.
yun, bounty yun.
Welcome to Mobile Legends!
Si Luffy dapat nandito.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed!
I do not back out. I lead with honor, as I am the vanguard of the Light's Order.
Dito, yung bait ko.
A costly victory looks pale in weak.
Ayan, patay mo.
Initiate retreat!
Patay na sana yun.
A true hero has come to help.
Lakas ko Kuya Jansen, nakita mo yun, patay ako. Bakit?
So, Alpha, bigyan natin to.
Ayun!
Klaseng clicker na yun. Tumama.
War benefits none.
Tumama sa bato.
Sabi sa inyo Kuya Jansen, pag ako nag-XP, pure win na to. Hindi na kayo.
Dito na naman Iris ha.
Expectation can
Para ako nagtitin.
We are the shield of the people.
Double kill! Initiate retreat!
Asian nag-clicker. Wait lang, Dave. Papunta na ako.
Gather at the turtle!
Diyan na.
Request backup.
Tinulungan kita ko yan, mag-take.
An ally has slain
Huli.
the turtle. Ally has been slain. You have slain an enemy.
Our faith illuminates every darkness.
Hindi sinasadya. May bounty ako? Wala. Si Isha may bounty.
Diyan sa gold.
Si Isha nga oh. 222 yung kanya eh.
Initiate retreat.
Sa mga nakapagpapakot sila.
Saan mo, tignan mo.
Ba, nagtitipi-tipi si Brad ah.
Ma-outsave ko pa to.
Ay, sige.
Ay, wala nga na yan eh. Ay, ito.
Ito oh. Layla.
Double kill. Mega kill.
Pagtitipi ba ko?
By our iron will.
Titipi nga lang oh. Eh, dalawin na kita
Team
dyan be.
destroyed a turret. Initiate attack. Initiate retreat. Unstoppable.
Nakita ko.
Although I'm walking in the frost, the warmth of my heart will not dissipate.
Wait lang be, wait lang. Dalawa yan oh.
Together we are the Lights Order. We fight to the end.
Nice one.
Enemy has been slain.
Yan nakalupit.
Request backup.
Push natin to,
March
push natin
on.
to.
Sound the horn of victory.
Kunin ko doy. Oo, kunin ko. Layo be, layo.
Initiate retreat. Understood.
Kukunin ko yun, nilahin ko be. Amang
Never says die.
Back na be, back na, back na.
Initiate retreat.
Ayan na X-board.
Beneath the lining of glory,
Be, back na be. Wala ng tipi. Ayan na X-board ko.
Initiate retreat.
Okay, Jesse, kung paano ko ito outplay. Ito kalakas sa Pilipinas.
Doy, tatlo ah.
Request backup.
I stand
Po.
Slain.
Tigil yan, nandiyan yung Micho. Sa may gilid, doon.
It's a mage.
To protect our homeland is a knight's duty.
Hindi rin daw na
Tignan
pa.
mo, bubugin ko.
Be,
A real man never hides in the
kung
bush.
pala gantay mo ako.
Ayan o, ayan o, ayan o.
Initiate retreat.
Nag-SS yan. Gantay mo ako. Nag-SS na?
Surara. Ayan.
Ano, patay na to. Parang tigara pa na.
Wah!
Wait lang, wait lang, wait lang. Wait lang, Doy.
Request backup. Initiate
Dito,
retreat.
Every darkness.
Sige, sita natin mo.
Initiate retreat.
I do not back out. I lead with
Initiate
honor,
retreat.
as I am the vanguard of the Lights Order.
Bam! Durr! Oh,
Tatlo ah. Tatlo to ah.
Spree. Legendary. Double kill. Quick play.
On me. Yeah!
An ally has slain the turtle.
Tayo mo ako, be.
Leolo Labo.
Mega kill!
Kasi Jericho.
Your team destroyed a town!
Together we are the Light Order. We fight to the end.
Bakit hindi ko dyan? Sherwin na yan.
Papapush yan.
This hammer is the most precious legacy of a great warrior.
Back. Back na.
March on! Sound the horn of victory!
Two, tara.
Request backup!
I stand for the Empire!
Tignan mo kaya siya kung paano ako bugbugin to.
Mega
Tap
kill!
na. Layla, oh. Tara.
Destroyed a
A
turret!
costly victory each pale and weak.
Double kill!
Hindas ko yung SS. Walang yayan.
Beneath the line of glory, blood stains.
An enemy has been slain! Shut down! Initiate retreat!
Never settle.
Legendary!
Napindot ko yung...
Request backup!
To protect our homeland is a knight's duty.
Boy, dyan patay ka.
Tignan mo kaya siya.
Launch attack! Your team
Dito ka,
destroyed
dito.
a turret! Initiate retreat!
Back na.
We are the shield of the people.
Mabalik ako.
Wait lang, be. Antayin mo muna si ano. Tara doon.
Expectation can be a burden.
Let's get the Lord!
Sundan lang muna.
Diyan ka, Jeric. Diyan ka.
A real man never hides in the bush.
Ally has slain Lord! Legendary!
Pangit.
Even death cannot deprive our iron will.
Sino patay ko dyan?
Wala yan naman. Naglalag na ako dun sa clash. Ayun mo, be.
War
Our
benefits
turret has
none.
been destroyed! Request backup!
Be,
Puro ka naman na Bing.
tapi mo na, be.
A true hero has come to help.
Para makasabay na to.
Dat pala yung content natin pataas sa Jeric.
All glories to the Empire.
Conceal tayo, doy.
Request backup!
Ano, sakto.
Okay!
Although I'm walking in the frost, the warmth of my heart will
Your
not.
team destroyed a turret! Your team destroyed a turret!
Beneath the line of glory,
Ally has been slain!
Batay ka tuloy.
although I'm walking in the frost,
Launch attack!
my heart will not dissipate. War benefits none.
Sabi niya, 140 na yun. Dito na, X-Boy.
A true knight never says die.
You know. Utak yung MM, marunong. Hindi malapit.
Launch attack!
A A true hero has come to help.
Request backup.
I stand for the Empire.
Pag may nahuli.
Ano kaya guys pag nireport ko to, ano na to? Balir na to.
Initiate retreat. Ult is not ready. Initiate retreat.
Together we are the Lights Order. We fight to the end.
Initiate retreat.
Word tayo.
Ult is not ready. Let's get the horde.
Vanish the darkness.
Legendary. Initiate double kill. Triple kill.
Rekta. Buntab. So, dinig. Ingat to. Lord na kaya doon.
Our faith illuminates every darkness.
Sige, papapatay ako.
To protect our homeland is a knight's duty.
Your team destroyed the turret.
Lord na.
Let's get the horde.
Mamaya na,
You man never hides in the bush.
Lord na.
Attack the horde. Request backup.
Wait lang, be.
Ito kami, bantay sa may gilid.
To sa
I
kabila,
do
oh.
not back out. I lead with honor, as I am the vanguard of the Lights.
Initiate retreat.
Hindi, ano yan? So,
This hammer is the most precious legacy.
Legendary. Double kill. Launch attack. Double kill.
Mabugtin.
Slain. Launch attack. Initiate retreat.
Masakit na yung Layla.
sino tayo? Ayun.
Ito yung Layla ka.
Launch attack. Retreat.
Marunong nga, hindi nga lumalapit sa akin. Talagang lumilikod lang.
A costly victory looks pale and weak.
Mamaya, late lang.
Initiate retreat.
Back na, be.
Expectation is a burden.
Ano to?
Launch attack.
All glories to the Empire.
Request back. Launch attack.
Pwede yung armor ka na lang, para hindi ka kalagot dito. Kaya,
Ayan na.
We are the shield of the people.
Ano tatabitin mo?
Banish the darkness.
Layla.
Killing spree. Double kill.
Not
Triple kill.
now.
Layo. Tol. Layo. Sorry.
Your team
Layo
launched
kasi.
attack turret.
Layla, anting ko. Masakit na.
tara lang, babe.
Ang taron, ginamit ko na, tapos ganyan mo lang.
Babe, patay na ako.
Southside yata.